Model, 64-plate Peugeot Bipper Professional HDI 75. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 103,701. MOT, the 19th of May 2025. Engine, 1248 cc F13DTE5. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Gearbox changes gear well and pulls in all gears. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.